up, dog?
What's up?
What are all these toys? Look, I got toys. You want to play with toys?
Yeah.
Let me pull up over there. What's up, y'all? I'm out here at the Shootdang Ranch with
I'm coming.
Jason Crocker right there. Check out this awesome shirt hoodie that he got me. He got me a hoodie and a shirt. This is rad.
Hey, you had to be official, man.
Don't forget to subscribe
That's right.
to the SV Thunder Road.
What would the people think if, you know how we sell shirts on Bonfire online? What if we put some stuff up there and people could get SV Thunder Road merch?
I don't know. What do y'all think about that?
Yeah.
Would you want one of these shirts?
Heck yeah.
Let me know in the comments.
Hell
That's how
yeah.
you're supposed to do it, right?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, we're gonna go put some toys up in the studio.
We got a band
That's right.
to get together.
So let's do it.
Yeah, let's go. You ever had these Clear Americans?
No.
They're water, but it's like a sparkling water. Good. It's not like a bad soda or anything. I haven't played bass in forever. Heck yeah. This is almost like a Blink-182.
It is.
Yeah. Heck yeah. Look at this.
The Fallout bass. This is awesome. What do y'all think, folks? Should I give it a go?
Get on it,
All
son.
right, let's do it.
Oh, music video time. Heck yeah.
Making some moves on that barn.
It's a pretty big barn for doing it by myself.
Yeah. And we're back.
What's up, pups? See, they don't jump. Well, I mean, he jumped a little bit, but they're pretty good.
Man, they're huge.
Yeah. Like you can just pet. They'll just sit down and just let you pet them. Absolutely no training. Get down.
They're big.
So that's Packer. The short hair and the long hair is a Cowboy.
Hey, puppies. Cowboy and
Packer.
Packer.
Yeah, like football.
Cowboy and Packer.
But man, they tear up some coyotes.
Oh man, I bet y'all are warm.
Yeah.
Next to. Yeah.
They protect all these little girls. He'll lick your fingers. His horns have really started to grow in.
Oh yeah.
Hey, good boy. What's up? He said, "Where's my cattle cubes?"
Lambo. Come here.
Hey, you're eating over here, buddy. This is your eating.
There you go. You like these little nuggets, huh?
I can't wait till those horns are just big. They've already
How big
grown.
are they supposed to get? Like
Not like longhorn, but they'll get pretty
Yeah.
big. We've had him for a little bit, and he's already grown probably like 2
Come
inches.
on, buddy. In here?
Yeah. We'll be able to eat that. Some of it's gonna fall through, but
What's up, buddy? This turned out really good.
yeah. I mean, look,
That was
the
good
pig-
thinking on your part.
And the pigs are trying to get it. And normally
Yeah,
they would
they
be
can't get in
all
there.
in it. So, heck yeah, that's a win.
Yeah, this grain silo is huge.
Yeah, it doesn't look like it from the outside. Yeah, we got some air ventilation holes over here.
Is that what you call those?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is cool.
Yeah. Yeah, you just would expect.
I bet those animals were nice and warm in here when
Oh,
the storm came through.
Yeah, they were good. It may end up in a tree later. We'll see what happens.
Hopefully not.
Yeah.
Or in a pond.
Yeah. So you've flown this once so far?
Twice.
Twice, alright.
Good.
It just...
Alright.
Let's see how I say, yeah, it looks like the camera's
working.
Alright.
You wanna grab that GoPro?
Heck yeah. All I gotta say is I'm not responsible for any damages that happens to you or your drone out here on SDR.
This is as good a spot as any.
Sure. Heck yeah.
So then it should circle around me.
Oh, so it's got... Does it have detection if it's gonna hit something?
No, I don't think it has detection.
Okay.
That it's gonna hit something. And I can move the camera.
Oh, heck. There you go.
It'll just circle us.
Heck yeah.
And then I can set it to follow me.
Oh, dude, that's cool. It'll follow you. Dude, that's perfect for the boat.
Yeah, the camera's aimed right at me.
Yeah, that's awesome. That's perfect for the boat, just like to follow you when you're going.
It can just follow me.
Yeah. As long as it's high enough in that tree right here. Oh shit!
You like lose control, you're like,
Disaster at Shootdang Ranch! Oh man. I hope it still works.
You wanna try it?
Yeah, well, now I don't feel as bad.
Alright, Jason's turn.
Alright. Get my bearings on it. I mean, yeah, this fly's good. That is crazy. I miss flying drones. I love flying drones. Dude, that would suck. I mean, worst case scenario, you already wrecked it.
All right.
I hope this works.
I don't know. I'm not that hopeful. The
Oh,
GoPro's got some weight to it.
Come
but
on.
This I'll be impressed.
Yeah.
Almost.
Hey, worth a shot. It wanted to.
We tried.
It wanted to so bad.
I think there is potential.
Yeah.
There's potential, definitely a lot of potential for something, for some sort of project.
Oh,
I don't know exactly what project that would be exactly.
Yeah.
But you could definitely put a few things in here. Possibly refurbish some things.
Yeah.
Restore a few things.
Heck yeah. If it were up to me, I'd put an old truck in here and restore it.
An old truck.
If it were you, you'd probably put a boat.
I didn't even think about that.